Bonnie, happy Monday! Cyber Monday continues. Oh my goodness, you guys. My candle of the day today has been the Kringle Candle new Snowfall Collection Cozy Cabin. Look at the gorgeous wax pool I have on this candle. This is so delightful. It's a complete wraparound. Look at this! It is gorgeous, and the scent is fabulous on this one. So I did get my candles. What was that? Was that yesterday? No, it was Saturday. I got these in the mail. I got the whole collection of the new Snowfall candles, including the Silent Night, the Merry Christmas. Look at how pretty they are. I love the snowflakes on these. This is a limited edition collection. I always have to spell everything. Collection from Kringle, and the only one that's sold out so far is the Silent Night, and Kringle Candle has their Cyber Monday sale going on today. So I am a Kringle Candle ambassador, which means if you use the code QueenGeek, you get an additional 15% off. So there's two ways you can use a code today. If you use the code THANKS50, you're going to be able to shop anything in the Cyber Monday sale and get 50% off, which is a fabulous deal. If you just want the candles from the Snowfall collection, you can use the code QueenGeek and get an additional 15% off. So these are currently on sale for $15.30. The code will bring you down to $13 and like a penny, which is a fabulous deal. These are the Kringle Soy Blend 3-wick candles. Oh my gosh, I am loving this candle so much. It also comes in the soy candle. Those are part of the Cyber Monday sale, I believe. A lot of them are sold out, but there's a couple there I think that you can still get. The scent notes in this one are brown sugar, cedarwood, cinnamon bark, firewood, vanilla, and maple. And for some reason, I have never owned a Cozy Cabin candle from Kringle. I can't believe this one is new to me. They have so many candles in their lineup, though. It's funny because it sounds like it should be more of like a fresh winter type of candle than a foodie candle. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty these labels are. They definitely have a little bit of a luminary quality to them. I cannot wait to burn down Silent Night and see what this one looks like. But this one, the scent description is brown sugar, vanilla bean, and warm cinnamon accords embrace rich wood notes as a smoky inkling adds the perfect finish. I feel like it's kind of like a Bath & Body Works type of marshmallow fireside, but it's better because they added in like a brown sugar and maple scent, which I absolutely love. I think that makes this candle a little bit stronger than like a marshmallow fireside, which can tend to be a little bit on the lighter side. I'm definitely smelling the warm maple in here, which I think is so delightful. I'm from maple syrup country here in Ohio, and I am a maple syrup connoisseur. I like my maple syrup to have a certain quality to it, and I feel like this candle has that. It's just delightful. I'm burning it in my big living room. I'm getting a lot of throw from this one for a maple sugary, foodie type of candle. I mean, it's not filling the room like a balsam, but it's a solid medium throw for a candle that's got, vanilla and maple and that brown sugar in it. But oh my gosh, it's funny because my husband came out. He's like, "What are you burning?" And I'm like, "Cozy Cabin." And he's like, "That smells really good." So I got him out of his office into the living room. So I consider that to be a win when he comes in here and says, "What are you burning?" So that was awesome. So this one is a definite yay for me. I'm thinking this is in my top 3. I don't know yet because I haven't burned the other ones. I'm either going to try Merry Christmas, which is like a cinnamon next, or I'm going to try Silent Night. I can't decide, you guys. Let me know which one you would like me to review next. But like I said, this entire collection is still available online at Kringle Candle, and don't forget to use the code QueenGeek to get your extra 15% off. And if you have this one, let me know what you think. I will see you guys later. Bye bye.